You check your phone and a message pops up from someone you don't recognize. You pause before tapping it. Before you open that message, ask yourself exactly who was allowed to contact you and how much of your personal data is visible to complete strangers. We are going to fix these vulnerabilities. In this tutorial, we will walk through a step-by-step 5-point privacy checkup designed to secure your Messenger account. To follow along, you only need your smartphone and the latest version of the Messenger app logged into your account. Taking proactive control of these settings changes the app's default openness, ensuring your account only interacts with the people you choose. Step 1 is filtering your primary inbox. Open Messenger, tap the 3-line hamburger menu, and locate the universal gear icon for your settings. Scroll down to the Privacy and Safety section and tap into Message Delivery. Change the routing settings for both people with your phone number and others on Facebook to the Message Requests option. This diagram illustrates what happens next. It physically separates familiar contacts from unknown inquiries and diverts those unknowns into a separate Requests folder. A message successfully reaching the app does not make the sender trustworthy. This filter protects your primary inbox from direct spam. For Step 2, navigate back to the main settings menu and select Active Status. Tap to toggle off the switch labeled Show When You're Active. This animation shows the result. It removes the public indicator broadcasting when you're looking at your phone. Disabling this introduces a functional trade-off. You'll no longer see when friends are online. This is a standard privacy mechanism. Sacrificing the visibility of your friends' online statuses is a necessary and fair trade to ensure your own availability remains entirely private. Step 3 secures your background details. Navigate back to Settings, tap on Story, and open the Story Audience menu. Actively change the default audience setting from Public to either Friends or Custom. Visual stories frequently contain sensitive background information that you might unintentionally reveal, such as local hangouts, school campuses, and daily commutes. Tap Save and confirm that the selection checkmark has moved to your restricted audience choice. Locking down this visibility prevents casual background visuals from becoming an open broadcast of your personal routines to complete strangers. Step 4 maps out your chat controls. Open a dummy chat with an unknown sender and tap their profile name at the top of the screen. Scrolling to the bottom of the profile page reveals 3 distinct escalation options. This graphic illustrates the severity levels of each action: Restrict, Block, and Report. Restrict is a low-level tool. It quietly hides a chat without notifying the sender, making it ideal for managing annoying acquaintances. Block is the severe, nuclear option. It completely severs all digital contact and is primarily used to stop active harassers. Report is an administrative mechanism. It flags an account directly to Meta for investigation because they are conducting scams or other harmful activity. Understanding how these functions differ helps you choose the right tool for the situation, whether you are dealing with a minor annoyance or a persistent harasser. For Step 5, we will completely exit the Messenger app and open your phone's main system settings. This diagram outlines the slightly different navigation paths for iOS versus Android. On iOS, navigate to Settings, then Messenger. On Android, follow Settings, to Apps, to Messenger, and tap Permissions. Here, you must review the specific hardware and data permissions the app holds: camera, microphone, contacts, photos, and location. Tap Location and change the access level to Never or Ask Next Time. Next, check the microphone and camera permissions. If you strictly use this app for typing text messages, toggle these off entirely. Cutting off access at the OS system level prevents the app from monitoring your hardware or tracking your background location, placing a direct limit on the data the software can collect from your device. This visual confirms our 5 milestones are complete. We secured message requests, disabled active status, restricted our story audience, mapped out escalation protocols, and revoked app permissions. Maintain this defensive mindset as you use your device. Pause, verify your settings, assert control, and protect your data. Taking active control over access, visibility, and shared data guarantees a safer, quieter Messenger experience. To continue securing your digital communications, click the next video on screen now.